The Android Auto car radio designed for Porsche Cayman 911-987 Boxster 997, known as PCCM, Porsche Classic Communication Management, is a sophisticated and versatile multimedia upgrade for your vehicle. Here's a description of its key features. 1. Android Auto compatibility. Seamlessly integrate your Android smartphone with the car radio, allowing for intuitive navigation, music streaming, and hands-free communication through the Android Auto platform. 2. Wireless CarPlay. Enjoy the convenience of wireless CarPlay connectivity, enabling easy pairing with your iPhone for a wireless extension of your smartphone interface on the car's multimedia system. 3. De-installation. Designed for a do-it-yourself de-installation, making it accessible for enthusiasts who want to upgrade their Porsche's multimedia system without professional assistance. 4. Multimedia stereo audio. Enhance your in-car entertainment with a high-quality multimedia stereo audio system, delivering clear and immersive sound from music, radio, and other audio sources. 5. GPS navigation. Benefit from precise and reliable GPS navigation, providing turn-by-turn directions, real-time traffic updates, and a user-friendly interface for a smooth navigation experience. 6. Player Navi. The Player Navi functionality enhances your navigation experience, ensuring seamless integration with the multimedia system for easy control and access to navigation features. 7. Touchscreen display. Featuring a touchscreen display, the car radio provides a user-friendly interface for easy navigation through menus, apps, and settings. 8. Compatibility with Porsche models. Specifically designed for Porsche Cayman 911-987, Boxster 997, ensuring a seamless integration that preserves the aesthetics and functionality of your Porsche's interior. 9. Wireless connectivity. Enjoy wireless connectivity options, enabling a clutter-free and convenient user experience when connecting your smartphone or other compatible devices. 10. D-Multimedia upgrade. Transform your car's multimedia system with this D-Multimedia upgrade, bringing modern features and technology to older Porsche models. In summary, the Android Auto car radio for Porsche Cayman 911-987 Boxster 997 PCCM offers a comprehensive multimedia solution, combining advanced features such as Android Auto, wireless CarPlay, and GPS navigation to enhance your driving experience in Porsche vehicles. The de-installation makes it accessible for enthusiasts looking to upgrade their car's technology without the need for professional assistance.